Welcome back to DerivNavigatorAcademy. This is the third part of the Introduction to Accumulators series or topic. And if you have not watched the first and second part of the video, please make sure you go and watch them so that you catch up, okay? I'll link them in the description. Just click in the description and you will find them there, okay? Now, we'll begin by talking about expiration of an option. If you don't close an accumulator option, if you don't close it before the upper or lower barrier level is breached, it will automatically close, okay? So if you don't close your trade or your accumulator position or option before the barriers are breached, it will close. Immediately the barrier is breached, the trade will be closed, okay? You won't have any exposure until you initiate a new trade, and any unrealized accumulated gains or any unrealized profits will be lost along with your trade. This example below demonstrates a losing accumulator trade when the market spot price fell below the barrier. So if you do not close your trade when it is between these two barriers, immediately this barrier level is breached or this one, the trade will be automatically closed. So be very careful when you're trading it, okay? Ensure the barrier level is not closed. Or once you see that this line chart is approaching the barriers, please close your trade immediately so that you can avoid experiencing a loss, okay? Let us proceed. We have short-term options, okay? An accumulator option is short-dated by nature, okay? It can only last from 45 ticks to 230 ticks, okay? 1 tick is like 1 second. So we can say it can last from 45 seconds to 230 seconds. This means that any potential losses or profits are realized very, very quickly, okay? For those seeking longer-term trading opportunities, please consider other options. You can consider rise and fall. You can even consider forex markets. You can consider call and put in volatilities, whereby it can even span across 24 hours, okay? But remember, in accumulators, it can only span from 45 seconds to 230 seconds. So be very careful when you're trading it, okay? And always remember it is short dated, okay? It cannot span across several hours or several minutes. So be careful with that, okay? Statistics. This one will cover more in detail when you start looking at the practical aspect of accumulators, okay? But you can just speak about it. Now, to view the results of the previous 100 trades that you did, okay? Let's say you have done 100 trades and you want to view the results. You just go and select stats, okay? In your interface, select stats and expand the view, okay? Now, stats displays the history of consecutive tick counts, showing how long the price stayed within the range. You can also see the number of ticks that the current option open trade, which is the open trade, has accumulated so far, indicated as the first number in the top left-hand column, okay? 9 in the example. The 3 dots below provide additional information. The 3 dots below 9, okay? A summary of the last 10 trades is also presented in the chart at the bottom, okay? But don't worry about this. We'll look at it in detail when we go to the practical aspect of accumulators. Technical analysis and charting in accumulators. How do we do it? Now, traders interested in analysis patterns may choose to copy this data into a spreadsheets, okay? So if you want to do more analysis, okay, you can copy the data of your trades into a spreadsheet, okay? Again, we look at this. You can also download the underlying index data, such as volatility 100 index in CSV format, okay? Since these are short-term options, the default chart is a tick chart, also known as a line chart, okay? So the default chart in accumulators is a line chart. In accumulators, you cannot use the bar charts as in the other options, okay? We can only use the line chart. It is the most preferable when you're trading accumulators, okay? You can also enhance your charts with technical tools like moving averages, Bollinger Bands, and MACD. But I'm against this, so please do not use them, okay? Because these indicators usually tend to give the wrong signal. They either lag or give information of how the market was behaving and not how it is behaving. So you might end up trading the current market based on information from the previous market on how the previous market was behaving, and this can lead to you experiencing a loss. So be very careful when you are doing that, okay? Now, full fair transparency. Now, for those who have been doubting Deriv is one of the most credible trading sites in the world, okay? As with all products, let me prove this to you. As with all products offered by Deriv, all accumulator options are fully audited and transparent. each trade, no matter its size, is assigned a unique reference ID number when opened and closed. This ensures that every trade can be verified in any case of any disputes. And this applies to all options. For every market, every option in Deriv, all of them, they're all assigned unique reference identification numbers when opened and closed, so that in case you encounter something that does not add up, they can be able to verify any dispute or queries that will arise, okay? So they are full, fair, and transparent. And that is the one thing about Deriv that you should keep into mind. Once you're in Deriv, you're in the right place, okay? Never doubt that. So in the next video, we'll be speaking about the strategies on accumulator options, okay? So please stay tuned to that. If you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss out, and turn on that notification bell, okay? And once again, guys, I appreciate this and I appreciate you for watching. Please make sure you like it, and please make sure you comment understand if you have understood. And if you have not understood, please make sure you type in your question or comment that you have pertaining the video. Thank you guys for watching this video once again, and good luck.